Carlos is an SRE manager for a popular peer-to-peer ride-sharing app used by 4 million users daily. The company uses AWS data centers around the world. To ensure that all customers can get their rides 24/7, the company uses Wavefront. Carlos gets an alert warning him that there's a problem with one of the AWS instances. Let's watch how Carlos uses the Wavefront AWS dashboard to find the root cause. Carlos looks at the globe. He immediately sees that the US West 2 region is red and clicks it. Clicking on the region drills down to the node map, where he can find problem instances for the region. Carlos notices that several instances for the region are red. He hovers on one such instance to get a preview, and then clicks on the instance to drill down to the instance dashboard. On the instance dashboard, Carlos can explore all the metrics for the instance. He sees that CPU is far too high, and decides to get in touch with AWS to request higher provisioning for that instance to solve his problem. With the urgent problem addressed, Carlos decides to do a quick health check of the environment. On the node map, he selects Network In from the metrics pulldown and selects Account ID from the Group by pulldown. He notices some nodes are red for the Network In and hovers over them for more info. Then he scrolls down and looks at the top K chart, which shows network-related information. He decides that for now the problem isn't urgent, but decides to keep monitoring. Maybe he'll set up an alert from this chart later. With the pressing problem taken care of and a good understanding of the state of the system, Carlos sits back feeling relaxed. It's almost like being on the beach, and all thanks to Wavefront.